What is this girl doing?
It's washing me, Dad.
Washing what?
It's washing hands.
Washing hands. Okay, good. More. Can you find? Okay, what is this? But you don't know. Maybe you don't play cricket. What is this? Wickets.
Look this. Oh, well, let's change the dress.
Let's do what?
What's that?
That's I don't know. That's a piece of dress.
Dress.
What do we call it?
Wait. Yellow, purple.
Yeah. Okay. What is this, baby? What is this?
Like the dress, watermelon.
Window.
Window.
Yeah. Okay. Come. Let's move to the last page. Yeah, we're going to finish the book. Come on. Only three objects left. 3 letters left. Come on, baby. What is this?
R.
No.
X.
Yes. And this?
X.
Okay. What case is this?
X.
No. What case is this?
X.
This case?
X.
No. Case.
What about lip?
Michelle Jan, you're not studying. Then I won't teach you.
Uppercase, lowercase.
Okay, perfect. Uppercase, lowercase. You sit down. Okay, you find the objects with the letter S, X. What is this?
I know.
If you know, then tell me. No, you don't be that thing. You tell me what is the name of this. Ox.
Ox.
Okay, and this one?
Walk.
Fox.
Walk.
And
Ow.
yeah, this is what the fox do. Okay, next page. What is this letter?
Y.
And this one?
Y.
Which case?
Uppercase.
And this?
Lowercase.
Perfect. Okay, Y4. Y4, baby. Come on.
I know.
If you know, then tell me.
And what it is?
What is this? Yolk.
Yolk.
And what is in this box? Y4. Yogurt.
Yogurt.
Okay, and what is this? If you can recall, I think you knew it.
Yo-yo.
Yeah, you remember. You had a yo-yo once. Do you remember? When you were a little girl, I bought you a yo-yo.
Okay, well, let's make a market yo-yo.
Let's go to market and buy yo-yo.
Yeah.
You want to play with more yo-yo?
Yeah.
Okay, tomorrow we go to you make a list and you put all the things into that, okay?
Baba?
The things we're going to buy tomorrow. We have to buy a yo-yo tomorrow.
Bob, the sleeping or the sun coming to that.
What?
A sun coming to the dress and the sleep, and night's coming to the sun and coming.
Yeah, night is coming. We will sleep. You will drink dudu and sleep, and then we will sleep and sleep and sleep, and then the sun will come out and it will be morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, then we will go to market, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, the last letter. Yeah, you keep sitting. What is this, baby?
Z.
Z. And this?
Z.
Okay, tell me which case is this?
Uppercase.
And this?
Oh, Bob, wait.
First this, okay, uppercase, and this one?
Wait, I would like it there. Baba. Try again.
Okay. What case is this, John?
Case.
And this one?
Lowercase.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, calm down. You tell me, this is the last letter, baby. We have finished the book in 3 days. Wow, that is a great progress. You know that?
Oh, there's one more.
Yeah. Okay, Z4.
Zebra.
Okay, and Z4, for example, more. What is this? Bag? No. What is this?
Bag.
That's zip.
Zip.
Yeah. Okay. And what is this? Zigzag.
Bag.
Yeah. And baby, you tell me what is this written on the bag?
Zero.
What?
Zero.
Okay. Complete. Yes. Congratulations. You have finished the book in 3 days. Well, Michelle, I said congratulations. When someone says congratulations, we say thank you. Okay, now, congratulations, Michelle.
Congratulations.
No. I will say congratulations and you will say thank you, Daddy. Okay? Let's try again. Now, we have finished the book in 3 days. Congratulations, Michelle.
Thank you.
Okay.